How to add and connect your Google Drive storage account with Outlook. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Outlook. Now this is the home page, as you can see right here. Go to the top corner, click on your profile picture right here. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go down and click on the settings option down here. Click on it and it will take you to this page. Now on this page you will find many options, and here is the add storage account option. Click on it and scroll down like this and you will find Google Drive, as you can see. Now click on it and you will be able to connect and add your Google Drive account with your Outlook email. Very easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.